Secondly, Chair, is to indicate that there was an allegation made of interference to the extent to which the minister is sending letters, and I think a number was given of some 12 to 15 letters, and that the previous ministers did not interfere and that they only wrote one letter. Here's the reality and the context of it, Chair. Entities, just like the department, must produce an annual performance plan. And there are quarterly reports which we receive from what was then called the Public Entity Oversight Unit within the department, which has now been absorbed into what we call the State-Owned Companies Governance Unit, because of the work which had to take place when the Department of Transport inherited SAA, Transnet, TNPA, amongst others, when the Department of Public Enterprises was disestablished. We inherited staff members, we inherited divisions, we inherited work from that department in that split when entities in DPE went to the aligned function departments. Why that is key is because it is central, therefore, to the work of departmental and ministry oversight around entities. As and when we receive the reports of assessment that has been done by that division in the department, the quarterly reports of APPs and so on, we send correspondence to each entity, every single one in the department, to draw their attention to our observations about their performance. So ordinarily, then they are going to receive correspondence to say you're not performing in area 1, 2, and 3, and you have to sort it out. I've got the batch of correspondence if the committee so wishes to see it, and it can be then the committee to make a determination how that is interference. But what we are not going to allow is a situation where we do not engage with our entities simply because previous styles of ministry is how they were structured. This is how Minister Chris and myself have decided to engage so that it's transparent and that we do not have a reality of no clarity about what we want. So as I say, that is why that engagement is done, to draw the attention. And it's not just REF, so there shouldn't be a perception that this was a selective approach. To the extent to which the submissions which I'm referring to, before they reach the minister of all our entities, I have sight of them, and where I've got issues, I raise them with minister before she can onward transmit to the entities. And this is with entities within my scope of delegation and outside my scope of delegation, because that is the kind of checks and balance that we have sought to put into the ecosystem.